Guys, this is Mo Justin Crypto, and today we have a new video about DJI, the Doge Jones Industrial Average token. Since my last call, which I did around here, the market essentially 4x'd and put in a healthy correction and is now looking to further rip up. And I have the reason for you today, and you can already read it on the chart. Generally, I have to do a little intro for the token, guys. DJI, the original Doge Jones Industrial Average coin, the first flip the Dow Jones meme coin on Solana, to me is a very unique coin with huge potential. And again, I say it, potential that still remains unseen for the most part until it happens. So what we are going to take a look at today, guys, is the specific structure and pattern that DJI has built, and you are going to see exactly what I mean when I speak about it. So you can read it, everybody can read it. Falling wedge, bullish reversal pattern confirmed. What do I mean by that? So DJI, when launched, actually reached around $20 million in market cap, went up here in a ballistic pump. A lot of people were interested and are interested in the meme. And ever since November, guys, the coin or the meme corrected in a so-called healthy falling wedge pattern. This so-called falling wedge pattern, guys, came to a breakout, and this breakout is now confirmed. In my opinion, we are building here the first 1-2 setup of the first 5 waves for DJI, guys, before DJI will likely put in some kind of correction, okay? Have a look. Some kind of ABC correction to then absolutely go vertical later on this year with the so-called wave 3, in my opinion, easily catapulting it above $100 million in market cap. So this is the exact roadmap that I'm seeing for DJI. Everybody that is not involved yet and is in meme crypto, I do think that this potential that you are seeing here is something that is different from other pump and dump KOL called projects. This really reminds me of SPX 6900. Why? Because SPX 6900 has the same narrative, right? It is the SPX, this is the DJI, just clean ticker, SPX DJI. And SPX also, after the first initial pump, had a massive 90 to 95% correction, then stamped out of this bottom and really started ripping after it did the big 1-2 setup, guys. So if I take the Elliott waves here and I do an overall count, guys, this is pretty much what you will be looking at for DJI, okay? Let me just go ahead here, get rid of the line on this Elliott wave count so you guys can understand. I'm playing this here with a super millennium SAG, and I do think that this wave 3 is gonna bring DJI to around 100 to 500 million market cap, and the final pump is gonna reach $1 or more, guys, here for DJI. So in my opinion, this potential is heavy and it is unreal. The Doge Jones Industrial Average has the falling wedge pattern, and now look at this, guys. The falling wedge pattern here and the falling wedge pattern on DJI. This is just clockwork, guys. This is just the exact same thing that you are looking at. A falling wedge pattern, breakout, retest, first 1-2 setup, and we are going to rip here for DJI. I mean, just take a look at it. It doesn't need a lot of chart knowledge to understand what we are looking at here. Clear falling wedge, broken out, confirmed the breakout, and now in the first 1-2 setup, once 300, 400K is clear, you're looking at $1 to $2 million plus. And afterwards, I'm looking at around 3 to 5 million before a bigger pullback to then absolutely rip into the hundreds of millions. As I say, I do these videos here to show you potential that is unseen until it happens. I did it on SPX 6900 back then. People bought for 5K, made $500,000. Feel free, if you know who I'm talking about, to comment and prove my point here. I really appreciate you guys. No financial advice. Mo Justin Crypto out. Have a nice day. Ciao, ciao.